dental turbine units. Okay, let's see what inside. First is a plastic water bottle, and this is the, here is the turbine. This will collect the machine and the air compressor. Okay, this is the whole complete set of the turbine unit. This is the main body, and it connects with a three-way syringe here, and here is the hook for the handpiece. And this the collector for the water bottle, and this is for the food control. Now let me show you how to use this portable turbine machine. First, fill this water bottle. Be sure to use the pool water, and then, here is the connection for the water bottle connects with it. And then, this is the tube for collect the air compressor. The other side of the tube is connect with the air compressor. Then you can start to use this turbine machine. The advantage of this portable dental turbine is with small size, so you can take it very easily. Is perfect for the doctor to visit the patients, and also perfect for the students to practice. So because of its small size, the power may be a little not enough. And this portable turbine machine can come with our portable air compressor. They are the best part. If you want to know more information or want to buy other dental equipment, just let us know in the comment section. We are Treedental. Better dental equipment, fewer dollars. It's that simple. Thank you for your watching.